So earlier I've mentioned about the type of the respiration. This time we're talking about the aerobic respiration. Let's learn from the basic that what is meant by the term aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is basically the types of respiration that involves the presence of oxygen. And whenever there is a presence of oxygen, then only aerobic respiration can take place. Other than that, the other question that often arises in the student's mind is that where does aerobic respiration takes place? So basically aerobic respiration takes place in mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of the cell. So mitochondria gives the space for the aerobic respiration. However, whenever we talk about the equation that basically forms an aerobic respiration, it involves the glucose, oxygen. We say glucose and the oxygen. Since we have already mentioned that whenever there is an aerobic respiration, there would be presence of an oxygen. This glucose and oxygen gives us a byproduct that gives us a base product, that is carbon dioxide, water, and also it releases energy. Please do mention it does not makes energy, it energy releases. So this carbon dioxide that is produced as a waste product is basically produced in all the body cells. What happens is that from all the body cells, this is basically excreted into the blood. Once it is into the bloodstream, from the blood it is transferred to the lung, and from the lung it is brought out of the blood, where it brings up into the alveolus. Alveolus is a structure in the there are the air sacs that are present in the lungs, which we have studied earlier, and from the alveolus it is basically exhaled out of the body. Exhaled out of body. So this is the entire phenomena of the carbon dioxide being excreted from the body. Carbon dioxide is produced in all kinds of the body cells. These body cells send the carbon dioxide into the bloodstream that is running outside from the blood. The carbon dioxide is carried into the lungs, which is out of the blood, and it is enters into the alveolus, from where it is exhaled out of the body. This is the entire phenomena of the aerobic respiration, and how the carbon dioxide, that is the waste product, is basically exhaled out of the body.